Did you know that bad breath affects 1 in 4 people? Yeah, you heard that right. That means if you're hanging out with 3 friends, chances are one of you might be dealing with this smelly situation. Crazy, right? Let's dive into the world of bad breath, or as the fancy folks call it, halitosis. It's super common, but it's not just a minor issue. Bad breath can seriously impact your social life and self-esteem. Nobody wants to be the person who clears a room with their breath. So, let's talk about what might be causing it and how you can fix it. So, what are the main causes of bad breath? It's time to break it down. Many people don't realize that bad breath is a common challenge, and it's often one that we don't know how to tackle. It can stem from a variety of sources, and understanding these can help you take action. Whether it's something as simple as what you ate for lunch or something more serious, bad breath can sneak up on you. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Here are the top 5 reasons you might be battling bad breath. First up, poor oral hygiene. If you're skipping brushing and flossing, plaque builds up on your teeth, and that can lead to some funky smells. Make sure you're brushing at least twice a day and flossing regularly. Next, we've got certain foods. You know how garlic and onions can leave a lingering taste? Well, they can also leave your breath smelling less than fresh. If you've got a big date or important meeting, you might want to steer clear of those. Now, let's talk about dry mouth. This happens when your mouth doesn't produce enough saliva, which is essential for washing away food particles and bacteria. Dehydration, certain medications, or just breathing through your mouth can all contribute to dry mouth. Keep sipping that water to keep things moist. Then, we have health conditions. Some underlying health issues, like respiratory infections, diabetes, or even reflux, can cause bad breath. If you're noticing persistent bad breath despite good hygiene, it might be time to check in with your doctor. And finally, tobacco use. Smoking or chewing tobacco not only gives you that smoky scent but can also dry out your mouth and lead to gum disease. Quitting is the best way to improve your breath and overall health. Now, here's something that might surprise you. Digestive issues can actually play a big role in bad breath too. If you're having gut problems, it can lead to bad odors escaping from your stomach. Understanding this connection can be a game changer. Addressing your digestive health might just be the key to kicking bad breath to the curb. Don't worry, here's the solution. Do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth, after brushing your teeth, to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.